Thermion II LRF XL50 from Pulsar. This is the flagship model for thermal imaging rifle scopes for hunting purposes from Pulsar. Let's take a look into it in detail. Pulsar, in the course of its history, has continuously redefined the design standards of its optronic devices. And the Thermion XL50 is a perfect example. The configuration, based on a standard daytime rifle scope, makes it ergonomically perfect for the intended hunting purposes. It's true that there is some awkwardness in the design, like the quite obvious hump on top of the objective bell for the laser rangefinding module, but these are all trade-offs that are very justified by the performance, the features, and the specs of this flagship model from Pulsar. As you can see, today is not a fantastic day, but is the perfect day to test the performance of the Thermion II LRF XL50 and its amazing sensor that is integrated in this rifle scope. The sensor resolution of the XL50 is HD. This means 124 by 768 pixels. This is also the resolution of the micro display that is inside the eyepiece of the XL50, and it translates to an actual one-to-one or pixel per pixel definition of the image as is captured by the sensor. This at the native magnification of 1.75 per. The digital zooms allows you to magnify the image up to 14 per. This means that what happens is that we enlarge a smaller and smaller and smaller portion, central portion, that's where the reticle is, of the sensor. And this degrades the image that is visualized in the eyepiece somewhat, but not that much, as you can see with the video that recorded using the built-in audio video recorder. The laser rangefinder of the Thermion II XL50 allows to measure up to about 800 meters. And it is possible to use the distance to calculate the actual point of impact thanks to the ballistic app that is integrated in the firmware of the Thermion. This is possible thanks to the StreamVision and the Ballistic companion app that we can download completely free of charge, iOS and Android. We can not only control the device from the app, but we can also download and upgrade the firmware. We installed the latest version, which is 3.3, and it allows us to select bullet profiles from a very large database of commercial loads, or even build our own custom profile using the ballistic coefficient, the speed, so that we can tailor the ballistic performance to our specific gun and ammo. And the rifle scope is going to be using this data to calculate with extreme accuracy the point of aim depending on the measured distance through the laser rangefinder. I was very impressed, especially because of the new ballistic calculation performance that was introduced, I think, in firmware 3.0 and has been improved since then up to the latest, which is 3.3. And the database has been expanding lately, and this reflects on the actual performance of the XL50, which in my opinion is an amazing instrument. The resolution is so that in any situation we are able to zoom in with the digital zoom and have positive identification of whatever the target is with an amazing and unprecedented accuracy. Everything else is top-notch, as we always have expected from Pulsar, and of course the price is what it is, but performance has a price, and the price is, in this case, fully justified from the high-end performance of the Thermion II XL50 from Pulsar. Highly recommended. Please continue following All for Hunters and allforshooters.com.